Hi loves, kung merong game show na kailangan mo lang magtagal sa isang building para manalo, sasali ka ba? Bawat araw na nagtatagal ka doon, mas nadadagdagan ang perang pwedeng maiuwi mo. And inside that building, you're staying with 7 other people. At lahat kayo may kanya-kanyang premyo, depende na lang kung gaano kayo katagal doon. Iyan ang mechanics ng bagong Korean thriller slash dystopian series na The 8 Show. 8 people from different walks of life will be housed in a bare building. And they don't have any connection to the outside world. Pero ang tanong, bare nga ba talaga ang building? Because from the trailer, there will come a point where they will discover that the building is made up of 8 levels. And in each level, there are different rooms that corresponds to a specific prize money. And it looks like there is a game in every room. I'm presuming that if you win it, you get a share on the prize money. So naturally, the players realize that they have to work together in order to win the games in each room. They will be forced to interact, form alliances, and outsmart each other. Kasi iniisip ko kung sino lang yung mga mananalo doon sa loob ng room, sila lang ang maghahati-hati sa prize money na nandun. So if your group is able to master the room first, mas mananalo kayo ng mas maraming pera. And of course, this type of system is bound to make the players crack. Kasi kung hindi man sila magde-divide in groups, at some point, it's possible that the 8 of them will be addicted in the thought of gaining so much money. Maybe to a point where they don't want to leave, which defeats the purpose of why they joined in the first place. It looks to me na sa pagsali mo pa lang, talo ka na. Because winning can be addicting. Mapapaisip ka talaga kung ano nga ba yung cause ng pagkapanalo nila. Like a lot of dystopian series, I think this will really reveal a lot about human nature. And you know me, I live for those types of series. I honestly think that if you're into series like Squid Game or Alice in Borderland, I think magugustuhan mo rin itong The 8 Show. The 8 Show starts streaming on Netflix on May 17. Huwag natin palampasin to. It looks really promising.